Hi, this is Dudong Ditun and welcome back to my channel. So narito na naman tayo. Kita nyo guys, meron akong gi-hoard ngayon. And this is a new brand. Actually, this is not really a new brand. Matagal na tong company to, but it's now penetrating the Philippines. I will definitely tell you who it is and why you need to actually buy and be curious about these products. Kaya wag na nating patagalin. Pasok! Intro! Sa mundo ngayon, mga kadito natin, kailangan natin ng tech na kayang sumabay. Smart, reliable, at designed para sa everyday life. Sino nga ba si Usam? Usam Technology is a prominent player in the 3C accessory industry. In-establish to noong 2009. So, matagal-tagal na rin si Usam. But now, Usam is now penetrating in Philippines. But they are also known for product research, product sales, and service of various 3C accessories, including data cables, phone cases, chargers, phone holders, earphones, tempered glass, and adapters. Sa napakaraming competitors, no? Sa napakaraming products, of course, you have to choose a product that is reliable. Number 2, affordable. Number 3, quality. Okay, yun ang dapat nating hanapin sa ngayon. Siyempre, dapat sumasabay din yung design sa generation. So, let's start with power banks. Naparaming power banks ni Usams. Dapat sumasabay din siya sa mga standards, international standards, especially na may mga bagong rules and regulations. And Usam is one of the company who produces products that are actually internationally approved worldwide. Na-experience mo na ba na nalobot ka sa mga pinaka-importanting moment? Yung nasa biyahe ka, walang outlet, tapos kailangan mo mag-reply, Google Maps, o mag-video. Hassle, di ba? And most of the power banks are bulky, mabigat, mabagal mag-charge, and unreliable. Good thing, may Usam's battery pack. And I'll start with this mini powerful tool. Pwede mo siyang ilagay sa mga pockets, sa mga bags, at saka sa bulsa ng pantalon mo. Look how amazing how Usam invented this design. All you have to do is just to pull out the rubber cover and just, say for example, lobot na lobot ka na. There you go. Ganon lang kabilis yan. Hindi mo kailangan ng mga cables na kailangan i-connect sa mga power banks, and you can even actually use it while you're using the phone, while you're on call or while you're video. Look how convenient it is. Usam invented this little power bank, the mini tail plug portable power bank. This has 3,000 milliamp hour battery. Hindi niya mapupuno yung phone ko. But however, the convenience of having this mini powerful power bank is that for emergency, you can definitely use this. This is very helpful, especially if lobat na lobat ka, especially if may kailangan kang i-Google Map, especially kung meron kang kailangan tawagan, i-video. Look how convenient this power bank, the mini tail power bank from Usam. Okay, so I have another power bank from Usam. You know how cute it is? Yes, as you notice on the box, square siya, meron siyang wire, meron siyang handle. But how does it work? You know how small and compact it is? This is it. This is the power bank with 10,000 milliamp hour. Yes, 20 watts ang charging. Now, look how convenient it is when you put this one inside your bag. And take note, 10,000 milliamp hour to guys. 10, you don't need to bring a cable. Because when you push this one in, meron ka na kaagad na USB Type-C cable. Ayan. Yes, look how convenient it is. Meron ka pang extra USB Type-C port. You can actually use it and bring it like this. Look how convenient. Place inside your pocket. It's really sturdy, sobrang tibay. All you have to do is just to pull this one in, so you can use the cable, and when you're done using it, pull it again, and then you now have the handle. That's another power bank from Usam. Now, kung yung kanina is cube, now medyo malaki ng konti to, mas lapad, mas more convenient. Lumalapad siya pero manipis. Pwede itong pang iPhone. Hindi mo na kailangan magdala pa ng cable for your iPhone or Lightning. And of course, wala ka ng iPhone, you can just pull this in and act as a sling. Now, meron siyang USB Type-C and USB A. Now, apart from that, meron din siyang Type-C cable naka-attach sa charger. Yan, may display din siya, oh. Plug it in. Fast charging. Another two power banks na bulky. Yes, this is a 10,000 milliamp hour, and the other one is 20,000 milliamp hour. And let's check this out. And this is it. So as you notice, the slimmer version is the 10,000 milliamp hour, and the bigger version of this is a 20,000 milliamp hour. As you notice, yung mas manipis syempre yung 10,000 milliamp hour. What's nice is this two powerful tool or power banks is actually fast charger. 22.5 fast charging battery pack. Now, for this two, it has, yes, ito yung slim, ito yung bulky, 20,000 yung bulky, 10,000 yung slim. As you notice, ang mapapansin mo rin yung sa slim is yung LED indicator lang yan. Okay. Yes, LED. Ayaw mo, nakikita nyo ba? While may display yung sa 20,000 milliamp hour. But for me, mas gusto ko yung ganito kalalaki kasi ang dami kong mga devices sa bag, no? Para at least just in case malabat ko, ready na ako to charge it up. Ito na mga ganito natin kasi ito na yung pinaka-exciting na part, no? Meron silang 20 watts aluminum alloy magnetic wireless charging battery pack na 10,000 milliamp hour. Yan. Nakikita nyo ba yung mga naka-iPhone tapos meron silang MagSafe? Nag-create si Usam ng MagSafe version nila para lang at least maka-charge mo na mas mabilis, mas convenient at imamagnet na lang siya sa likod ng cellphone mo. At ito na yun! Alloy!
Oh,
sobrang ganda.
God.
Manipis ha. Sobrang nipis. Tapos may logo ng Usam. Tapos ito yung gagawin natin. Peel this thing off. And then ilalagay natin to ngayon sa likod ng cellphone. Pero yung sa Apple, it does not require a magnetic case. Okay? But if you are using Samsung, you need to have or you need to purchase a magnetic safe for this. And simply magnet this thing up. And there you go. It's charging. Look how convenient it is. Nagcha-charge na siya. Yes, kahit pa anong uga mo dyan, naka-magnet yan sa phone mo. And very convenient, matibay, reliable kasi alloy. Aluminum alloy na siya. Look how sturdy it is. Sobrang sturdy. And one thing I noticed is glass yung likod niya. Yan ha. Tapos ikakabit mo lang niya siya sa phone. And that's it. Yes. You don't need to pull some cables and plug it into your phone. If your phone has a magnetic wireless charging capability, medyo mahal kasi yung mga original. Right? But for this, Usam's na magnetic power bank, yes, it's more affordable, reliable, and has more quality. So you can actually consider this as an alternative. Good job, Usam. So, sa dinami-daming power banks na display ko, flex ko sa inyo, napakaraming yung options kay Usam. But take note, meron tong mga extra cable sa loob ng box and may mga specification. Do not lose the specifications because most of the power bank that I actually flex, meron siyang triple C. Yun yung bagong ruling sa mga airline na dapat merong triple C or certification. Dapat nakikita niyo sa likod ng power bank. And of course, kung wala man siyang triple C, you have to keep it just in case you will be traveling soon through plane. Hahanapin yan ng security, yung specification. At least, meron kayong may papakita. So mga kadito natics, let's proceed with adapters. Napapansin nyo ba sa mga market, medyo tataka ka, bakit sobrang mura nung adapter? Bakit sobrang mura ng cable, no? And mapapaisip ka, is it really safe to use that? Sobra pang bagal mag-charge. And one thing that you may need to concern is it really safe for your mobile device? We must remember mga kidonatics na not all adapters are optimized to fast charging technology. With USAM's adapter, you got covered. First, before kayo bumili ng adapter, you have to know kung ano ba yung capacity ng phone mo to charge. Kasi yung Apple hanggang 25 watts charging lang sila. Yung sa Samsung, depende sa model. May A series, may Z series, may tablet din sila. So that is why, as well, USAMS has created and invented different type of adapters that is indeed matched and safe for your devices. It has different purposes, mga kadito-natics, no? Magkakaiba ng purpose yung mga adapters natin. Most likely, this is intended for iPhone and of course for Samsung na A series. Kasi kung isasaksak mo yung 20 watts sa pang S series, it may actually charge fast, but it cannot actually optimize how fast the adapter can provide an energy or charge your phone. Ito yung pinaka-safe na gamitin na wattage, no? Ito yung pinaka-safe. But, meron din tayong pang 30 watts. Iyan. Tandaan natin na magkakaiba ng wattage. So, para ma-maximize kung gaano kabilis mag-charge yung device mo. Matandaan, ulit-ulitin ko. Gaya nito, yung sa 45 watts, hindi mo siya pwedeng gamitin sa mga phones na 25 watts lang yung capacity niya para mag-charge. Kasi tendency, kung gagamitin mo yung 45 watts sa iPhone or 45 watts sa Samsung A series, either iinit yung phone mo, sure ko yun. Number 2, kung iinit yung phone mo, masusunog yung display. Number 3, masisira yung motherboard. So you have to know the capacity of your phone in terms of wattage para alam mo rin kung what type of adapter yung bibilin mo to optimize the charging. Let's start with the 20 watts. Ito yung 20 watts. Now, binuksan ko siya. Cube. Apakaganda. This is perfect for traveling. Look how nice ang USAMS na 20 watts. Woo! Ang galing. Sobrang ganda. And of course, isa lang yung port niya and USB Type-C. So that means USB Type-C to USB Type-C. Napakagandang gamitin ito yung ganito kaliit. Especially when you're actually traveling, so you don't need to bring those bulky adapters. So, ito na. Ito yung 30 watts na mini dual port fast charger with cable. Yan, with cable ng mga Tidonatics. And I am surprised. It has actually a built-in cable attached to it. Yan, yung 30 watts. This is more convenient because na-flex yung saksakanan. Yes. And of course, para hindi naman tayo masyadong selfish, itong 30 watts na power brick ni USAMS is because there is also an extra port just in case you want to share this device or adapter to your friends. So, more convenient. Sobrang tibay, mga kadito-natics. And we have another powerful break. The 30 watts, again, this is 30 watts again mga kadito natics, no? Yes, 30 watts pa rin. Here's how it looks like. Hindi siya na-fold mga kadito natics. And wala rin siyang extra cable. But however, convenient siya is just because you have multiple ports. Merong USB and then USB Type-C. Hindi naman cheap yung design niya. Ang ganda ng quality ni Usam, no? At ito talaga yung pinaka-gusto ko sa lahat. 45 watts. And look how premium it is mga kadito natics. So I have multiple devices from Samsung kasi meron din akong tablets from Samsung na pwede rin siyang hold ng 45 watts. So I don't need to bring an extra adapter for my other device. Look how premium it is mga kadito natics. Ang ganda. So I really have to bring just this one for my tablet and for my phone alone. You can just bring one adapter and power up your devices ng ganito. Napakaganda. Yes, look how nice it is. Sobrang tibay, mga Kitidonatics. And I will tell you honestly that this brand isn't just a brand. Mafe-feel mo talaga yung quality ng device. Take note, meron silang mga quality control pa rin. Definitely, this is actually safe for your household and also safe for your devices. Ito. Tapos na tayo sa adapter. Let's proceed with the cables. Ilang beses ka na bang naputulan ng cable? Madaling masira, slow ang transfers, and unreliable connections. We must remember that low quality cables can affect the charging speed and data transfers. Usam cables are built different. Napakaganda ng adapter mo, pero ang pangit naman ng cable mo, walang silbi. Usam has invented a powerful brake or a powerful power bank that can charge your device quickly. You also need to partner it with a reliable quality cables. Meron din tayong pang 30 watts. Ayan. Kung Apple ka, sus, meron ding Type-C to Lightning. Alright. Meron tayong 60 watts na C2C cable. At meron din tayong 100 watts. Yes. Ganyan ka-powerful yan ha. Itong 100 watts. So, isa-isahin natin ang tatlong cable na hinord ko. So, unahin natin to. Yan. Yung Type-C to Lightning cable. Wow. Ito yung tip. The quality. Ito pa lang ha. Yung tip pa lang ha. Look at this. The cables inside are covered with this material. Meron tong display mga Kadito-natics. Yes. So we'll proceed with the 60 watt. This is C2C cable and take note mga Kadito-natics, meron din siyang display ah. So this is it. Yan, C2C cable. 1.2 meters to mga Kadito-natics ah. So ito na yung 100 watts. Yes. And actually ganun pa rin naman yung quality and material niya mga Kadito-natics ah. Mayroon lang indication na 100 watts siya. So, pang mabilisan, pang mabigatan to na cable. Pero wala namang magiging problema kung isasaksak nyo tong pang 100 watts sa 45 watts or 60 watts or other adapters. Basta, yung cable mo is actually ready up to 100 watts na wattage based on the quality of the box, quality of material, how it was actually invented and built. I can definitely attest basing on my observation and assessment na napakaganda ng quality ng mga cables ni Usams. Good job again, Usams. Now let's proceed to other accessories ni Usams. Ito talaga yung pinakagusto mo. Tingnan na naman. Yan ha. U87 60 watts fast charging cable. May cable na with multifunctional storage set box. So, ano yung mga nasa loob? Yan, yung mga nasa loob. Kita niyo yan? Kita niyo yan? I need actually to bring my other pouches just to complete all my devices na kailangan ko pang araw-araw at pang work. Boom! Wow! Napaka-compact! Pull? Ipupull mo lang. Oh my God! Ganun lang kabilis! Pull it, and then of course, so it will loosen it, and then when you want to return it, you pull it on the last run, and then babalik siya agad. So end-to-end yung cable. Look. Kung ano yung mga nasa loob. Yan yung loob niya. Meron kang SIM card ejector tool, tapos adapter for USB. Yan. Tapos for lightning. Itong side na to is pang memory card, and yung side pang SIM card. Meron ka ng cable, meron ka ng mga adapters, meron kang SIM card ejector tool, lalagyan ng memory card ng micro SD, and lalagyan ng SIM card mismo. Look how convenient it is. Good job, Usam, for this new invention. Are you looking for an earbuds na swak sa style mo? Yung iba kasi poor ang quality ng sound, madaling malobat, and napaka-uncomfortable gamitin. Remember mga Katitonatics, not all earbuds can actually deliver a quality sound and a good battery life. Now, meron na tayong Echo E05 TWS earbuds. Clear ang sound, stable connection, at all-day comfort. So, you have to flip out. Yes. And makikita nyo na yung earbuds. Check natin. Bunutin natin. Yes. Yun, magnetic. And of course, ito yung body niya, ito yung charging dock niya rin. May ear tip yan. Nagbi-blink siya. That means it is now looking for a pairing device. Uy, yes, lightweight. Uy, yes. Let's turn on and connect it to my phone. Usam's A05, lumabas siya. Yes. Look how nice it is. And 3 hours yung battery life niya. Continuous sa calling, continuous sa audio. Maganda. Maganda yung sound, mga Katitonatics. It has a very decent sound quality. And for a continuous running or playback of 3 hours and call, not bad. Napakagaan lang yan, no? Hindi ganun ka-complicated mag-pairing sa mga phone nyo. For the battery life of 3 hours continuous playback and call, this is a powerful, affordable, and reliable earbuds. Meron touch sensors. You just have to tap the earbuds to play it. Wow! I-recommend ko talaga to. Super duper. Let's proceed with another accessory, and I'm very much excited to this, no? Because this is a magnetic speaker from Usam. Paano kung may portable speaker ka na pwede mong dalhin kahit saan? Yes, portability often sacrifices the sound quality. Yun yung usually yung common na problema natin, no? Tapos ikakabit natin siya sa phone, tingnan natin kung gaano kaganda yung sound quality. Ito na yun. Tapos, meron siyang free na magnetic na yan, nilakabit mo lang sa likod ng phone mo. Ang ganda ng design. Tingnan nyo ba, mga Katitonatics, hindi talaga siya poor quality. Sobrang gaan. Yes. And the moment of truth. Boom! Yes! Let's play music. Connect natin sa Bluetooth.
Hoy, alam mo ba, si Alan Nena?
What if naglalaro ka? Napaka-convenient. Ang lakas ng sound ng phone mo. Ganong katibay, ganon talaga magnetize talaga tong phone, itong magnetic speaker na to. Sige, let's
5
try.
seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them!
Sobrang ganda ng speaker. Small, but terrible. And the quality of sound, good, excellent, super lightweight. Especially when you're traveling, want to share your music, you just have to snap into your phone, magnetic case, or sa Apple yun na phone directly, and it's really sturdy. Look, kapag nanonood ka or nagsistream ka, hawak mo pa rin ba yung cellphone mo? Proper viewing angles improve comfort and productivity. Tandaan niyo yan mga Kaditonatics. Meron din si Usam ng phone stand. Ito, pang tablet. At ito, pang phone. Depende yan sa viewing angle niya ha. Ilalagay mo lang siya as like this. Yan. Comfortable na. Diba? What if naka-landscape? Comfortable na. But guys, all you have to do is just to place this inside the pocket of your bag. Hindi ganun siya ka-space consuming itong phone holder ni Usam. And may mga rubber siya. Ito yung rubber. Yung rubber na yan para iwas gasgas sa mga devices natin kung walang mga phone cases. Now, nawawala ba yung mga cables mo? Hindi mo organize sa loob ng bag mo? Or medyo nagagasgasan ba? Masyadong clutter ang mga gamit natin. Usam has solved all your problems because they also have portable storage. This is the smallest size. This is how it looks like. Anti-scratch. Yes. May branding din tayo. Boom. Dito niya ilagay mga cables nyo. Dito niya ilagay yung power banks nyo. Hindi siya tinipid. Anti-scratch nga naman. Ito pa. Merong bigger size. Alam mo, perfect na perfect to para sa... Wala. Ang ganda ng loob. May zipper sa loob. Yes, to organize your stuff para hindi masyadong nalalaglag. Meron ding, yan, may mga ganyan. Yan, to hold your devices inside. This is a perfect storage box for all your gadgets. Anti-scratch, anti-fall, anti-crash kasi masyadong matigas. Hindi na ako magta-transfer sa ibang brand is because you have everything. Organized, protected, and ready all the time. So mga Katitonatics, those are the items that I hoarded sa Usam. I saw this one in Shopee, I saw this one in Lazada, I saw this one in Facebook, I saw this one in TikTok. I thought, ay mga baka pipitsugin lang siya kasi kita ko yung presyo. Compare sa mga premium brands like Anker, or premium brands, mga original brand ng Samsung, Apple. Meron silang mga ganyan, pero hindi kumpleto. I thought, hindi maganda yung quality. Hindi ako nagsisi. High quality materials. And most especially, napakagamit na gamit talaga to para sa akin. This is because I have all the devices. With this quality, I better choose Usam compared to other brands as well. Affordability, reliability, di ba? Apakaganda. Yung mga power banks natin, most of the power banks that I purchased is meron mga CCC certification na. 90% sa mga power banks na na-open ko, meron mga 3Cs. With regard to the cables, right? Meron may 60 watts, may 100 watts, may 30 watts. Of course, you have to partner it with the proper adapter para at least ma-maximize kung gaano makabilis yung charging niya. Convenience, yung design and convenience and quality ng mga power banks, I thought pipitsugin, putso-putso. But when I unbox it, ang ganda ng quality, especially when you're gaming, especially when you're watching videos. Apart sa speaker, sa sound quality na pinu-produce ng magnetic speaker, you can actually use it as a stand. So, ang ganda ng viewing experience because it has a good sound quality as well. Yung mga ganitong maliliit na bagay, alam natin na parang wala lang to, yung mga phone stand and tablet stand, parang wala lang. This little thing, little invention from Usam may be impacting to your life, to your work, is because you don't need to hold your phone. So you can also do your other stuff. Increase your productivity. You can do multitask because you have this. Very simple. Akala natin walang purpose. Mas dagdag gamit lang yan sa bag. But no. Imagine how thin ang mga phone stand natin, tablet and phone stand, that you can just easily slide it in the pocket or perhaps your pocket if you don't have an extra. Kaya mga Kaditonatics, masasuggest ko talaga tong brand na to because the packaging itself hindi siya tinipid. The quality of material hindi tinipid. The comfortability, the reliability of this brand in terms of how they invent this accessories, pasadong-pasado sa international standards. I will definitely suggest this brand 10 out of 10. Mga Katidonatics, available tong mga products na to sa lahat ng e-commerce platform dito sa Philippines. Meron tayong TikTok, meron tayong Lazada, meron din tayong Shopee. So if you want to purchase, you can just easily do it on your phone, on the tip of your hands. Kaya mga Katidonatics, yes, let's stay organized. Let's stay connected with Usam. Bye for now.